Hello again, boot campers. All right, so now let's work on dividing with remainders. I'm going to model for you how to complete the problem and follow along and check each step to make sure that you got this. So dividing with remainders is just the same. I'm going to be using Does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers raw? I have my little work square here just in case I want to keep my work organized. And I'm going to start with division. Let's get it. All right, so 3 into 5. 3 does go into 5 and it goes in once. So I've just did my division. I'm going to move on to multiplication. 1 times 3 is 3. All right, check off my multiplication. Now it's time to subtract. 5 minus 3 is, you might have guessed it, 2. I've just subtracted. It's time to check. 1 times 3 is 3. Yep, I got that. 5 minus 3 is 2. All right, now I'm going to bring down. I bring down one digit at a time. So I'm going to bring down the 6 in the tens place. And I'm going to ask myself, can 3 go into 26? Yes, it can. So it's time to repeat. I'm going to divide 26 by 3. Here's when I'll use my workbox. I know 3 times 8 is equal to 24. I know my multiplication facts. I know 3 times 9 is equal to 27. But 27 is greater than 26. So this can't be it. It's got to be 3 times 8 equals 24. So I'll put 8 above my house because 3 goes into 26 8 times. Now that I've divided, it's time to multiply. I'm going to multiply 8 times 3. And I get, well, I know that because I did that in my workbox, 24. Now that I've multiplied, it's time to subtract. 26 minus 24 is 2. All right, now it's time to check. All right, 18 times 3 is 24. Yeah, that makes sense. 26 minus 24 is 2. Yep, I was right. Now I'm going to bring down one digit at a time, my 8 in my ones place. All right, I ask myself, can 3 go into 28? Yes, it can, so I'll have to repeat. Now I'm going back to division. I'm going to put a little line here. All right, so now how many times does 3 go into 28? Well, I know here I have 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. And 30 is larger than 28, so it can't be that one. It's got to be this one. So I say 9 above the house, because 9 times 3 equals 27. I've divided. Now I multiply again. 9 times 3 equals 27. My next step is to subtract. 28 minus 27 is 1. Now I check. 9 times 3 equals 27. Yep, that works. 28 minus 27 is 1. Yep, that works. Now I bring down, but there are no digits to bring down. So I've got to skip this step, which makes me think, maybe I need a remainder, because 3 does not go into 1. Because 3 doesn't go into 1, and there are no other digits here, I have to put a remainder 1. 189 remainder 1 is my quotient. Did you get that?